Oh my god! Tamara! Oh my god! Ah!
She misses you.
This is the bucket girl.
I want to know if I fit in it, but I don't want to break it.
I can. You want to see?
It's no fun if you know.
When I told her to tell you that, she said no because you don't miss her since you're going out with somebody.
I don't fit.
I know that.
I want to cry.
Don't cry, Sadie.
I want to cry.
Why?
I'm gonna get stuck.
Ah! Oh my god! I'm so glad I'm recording this. I'm serious. I want to cry though.
No crying. Yeah, see, Vance even agrees with me. No crying.
He's got a girlfriend, so he has nothing to cry about.
I don't
got
know
it.
about that.
You got a big ass.
I know.
If it helps, I cry every time I see something that reminds me of him.
I'm a turtle.
I'll be
Hmm?
Every time something reminds her about you, she cries.